Guys, today we are going to learn how to create an awesome product image. Okay, so first of all, go to canva.com, just canva.com, click on YouTube thumbnail here, and then you will be presented by a window with all the tools and examples available for you. Okay, so for an example, if we are creating a product image for awesome WordPress template, what should we do? So WordPress, search for WordPress, you got a WordPress logo here, click the logo and just drop it here, and then you need a browser, probably this one, yeah, and just put here. Cool. uh, Maybe not this one, but well, let's have a look at this one. Oh, this one looks good. So basically this, let's take and put it here. Yep. And then we need to bring our template on top of it. So let's do that. Let's just search for a website because I don't have the template, so I'll just get one. Okay, let's do it with our self digital product one. So if we have this website, yeah, this is our template, yeah, so we'll just capture it and then download it. And then just put it in our desktop, and then just go here and then upload it here. And desktop is this. You got our image here, it's uploading, and then you click, and this is just as per our requirement. Just download it. So we just put it inside this web page here. We could have done something else. I mean, let's say this logo we got here, put it here, and then some text. So maybe this one, and then we just copy paste the text and then make it left line, just put here. There you go. It's our awesome template. I mean, you must have this anyways with your product, so that's why it's not a difficult. It's just I don't have it, that's why I have to create it. So that's good, all nice and good, and I'm just putting this into just for the sake of good looking. Okay, remove it. So this is my template. Now what I want to do is I want to make sure that my template looks amazing and that it convey the message which I want to. So what I do is I'll go to elements, I'll click on shapes, and I click on one of the shape which is black shape, and then I just do it like this. Yeah, this is, and then I'll just change the color. Preferably I'll use green because my template is all green. So here we go. And then in WordPress also, this logo, and then I want to put some text here, so I put some number one WordPress theme. Put here, create a different color and probably text. And then I'll just choose whatever font I want to choose, and then I'll just put it here. That's good. Now because the theme is created, I would like to put something like you know, the logo also. Maybe my theme is available on App Store and other bits, so I just put it here, and then my WordPress template here, and I'll arrange in forward, and that's it. So I can put it here, nice and clean. Yeah, all right, that's cool. So that's my product image created, and this is how I create all the product images. Now I would like to probably have something else, maybe. Well, this looks good, so let's end is this. So I just download it here, and that's it. I got my product image with all the HD definition and everything on my desktop. There you go. Perfect, isn't it? So that's how we create the product images, guys. So feel free to use this template, and I'm gonna attach it here. Thank you. Bye bye.